And we're back to JavaScript. Let me show you how I can print out an entire object. So we're gonna go back to our example from the last tutorials. And this time I'll cut this document.write out because we want to use that now on every key. And to do that, we'll just set up a for loop. So for regular brackets, then curly brackets. Inside of the curly brackets, we'll add the document.write, and inside of regular brackets, we'll add the condition. We'll write let key, and then in the object name in our case is the user. The keys are our properties here with the values. So I have to write let key in user in my specific case, as this is the object name. Now let's define the document.write. We'll use backticks, and inside of them we want to first print out the properties. To do that, we use the $, curly brackets, then key. These are the properties. Then colon, and here we want to add the values of the properties. To do that, we'll write $, again, curly brackets, then user, then square brackets, and inside the key. And this should already be it, but let me add a BR tag here. That way we have these pairs in different lines, as you can see here. So if I leave out the BR tag, this will all be in one line. Doesn't look that good, so I'll add it here. Just to reiterate, we have our document.write, and then this part here, $ with key. This is the property that gets printed out as long as we have properties, and if there is no property anymore, this loop will end. Then we have the colon, and then $user with square brackets of key. This gives us the value. And this would be one way to print out an object in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.